Yeah, I loosened those two already. They didn't just screw out by hand. You guys thought I was muscle man with that. Let's do this one first. Teflon tape here. Pipe job. Teflon tape. Now you want to make sure you roll the Teflon tape pretty much the way opposite the way you're going to tighten. So normally what I do, let's find the end. Okay. Go over the top like this. I usually do about 5 wraps or so. A little bit of this pipe dope. Yeah, some people like to use just one or the other. I do both. Found out that that's pretty much guaranteed no leak after that. Thread them in carefully. By hand. And you're probably going to want to go around at least a couple times with the wrench. So. They didn't give us a whole lot of stuff to work with here as far as material. You just got to be careful here. Get the wrench in the right position. Okay. Yeah, I think we're going to go around another time here. Make sure it's pointing down. There we go. That's one. Let's pull the tag off. Over the top, see your finger on the tape. Roll it around. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 or 7, something like that. A little bit of Teflon tape. I mean, Teflon paste, I'm sorry. So this is the hot side we're working on right now, usually on the left. Unfortunately, they didn't have red handles for that. It would have been nice. Red for hot and blue for cold. And we do the final turn here. I want to keep this from stressing too much, so you're going to hold this fitting. get that to come around. Let's see. I've still got wrenching around. Okay, that's one side. That's up one tail. 5, 6, 7's probably good. You want to kind of put it in there tight when you do it. Okay. I think we're going to go around another time. We have to hold this spinning for moving. And sometimes it gets a little tight here. Get your wrenches in there. No worries. Okay. Straight up and down. Last but not least, pull the tape off. Okay. I appreciate you guys watching today. If you like the video and the content, please subscribe and like the video. I really do appreciate it. Just starting out here in 2020, but I've been doing plumbing since 1987, so it's been quite a while. Get that around here. And what we're going to do is hook up the washing machine for the lady here. Get that taken care of for her. Okay, the last one's going to be a little tricky. See, all your stuff's in the way now. Let's see, we're getting, pipes are starting to flex. Can't handle that. You don't want to put too much pressure on those. Sometimes you have to spin your wrench the wrong way just to get it to go. That's okay. Okay, one more time around. Getting interesting now. We have a lot of play here. It does take a little muscle to do this. Make sure you eat your Wheaties. I had French toast this morning. go. Alright, there you go, guys. Turn these off. Then you want to get your water back on. Okay. Now what we're going to do, go over and turn the water on. Stick a flashlight. I should have brought a rag down because I got some of that piped over on my hand. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's COVID-19, so we got to wear the mask. But, hi guys. Appreciate you guys following me. Okay, let's go over, turn that water on. Here's the main water shut off right here. All right, counterclockwise, lefty loosey. And then try to tighten it, packing it a little bit. Nope, it's not going to tighten anymore. It's probably going to drip there. That'll have to be replaced some other day, but not today. I don't mind the mess there. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. I got to go upstairs, turn all the water off. Okay, guys. Well, it looks like this is the old one machine, and so I don't have to hook anything up. There's gonna be another crew that shows up with the new washing machine. Thanks for watching today, and you all have a good one.